Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been? And how's been your trading sessions? Hope you are getting amazing results from all the trading strategies and all the amazing videos I've been bringing to you from my channel. I really wish you guys all the best. If you are new, I say welcome to this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel right now, and I promise you, you will get amazing value from all the videos I post to this channel. And if you are old, I appreciate you guys for all your comments and feedbacks in the previous videos. Thank you for commenting and showing to me that you are really watching the video by commenting "I love trading" in the comment section. It has been amazing. I really appreciate. So if you're watching this right now, kindly please do the same. Comment "I love trading" in the comment section now, so I can know you're watching it, and that way I'm able to know I'm communicating to you guys. If I'm able to ask for something and then you guys give me back in return, and then smash the like button and subscribe if you have not done that. So today I'm going to be talking to you briefly on how you can place your stop loss and take profit properly. And then I'm going to give you my own recommendation for you to become a very profitable trader in the market. Now, the issue of stop loss and take profits really has been one of those inquiries that many people make, and it can really be a determining factor in that to distinguish two people even if they are using the same strategy. I have discovered that two people can use the same strategy, and at the end of the day, one will be profitable and the other will not be profitable. And it's not even a function of the amount in the account. Someone who have a lesser amount in their account might even be more profitable than someone who have a larger money in their account. So I want you guys to take note of this. I'm going to do some examples now, and I want you to please be open-minded. Now, when you are saying stop loss is you telling the market that I want to cut my risks. I want to cut my risks, and it's very important for you to do that. It's important so that, because the essence of your trading is that you want to have a perfect entry and a perfect exit, and that is what will help you to be able to achieve profitability in every of your trading activity. Take for example that you saw this particular place, and then you want to enter for the trade here. Let me do something now so that you see what I'm saying now. Now over here you want to enter a trade here. Now how do you go about it, and then how then do you know what to use for your take profit and the likes? The first thing you have to consider before you go ahead and say you want to take a profit is to consider, what are you losing? What are you risking? What are you risking to the market for taking that trade? Many times people don't consider this. They just go into the market and they blow their account. I've seen someone who blew up thousands of money in his account just because of lack of understanding as simple as this. So if you are going to take this trade, now if I want to take this is what I do if I want to take a trade. After I've identified the position I want to go into, right? So I do this. I pick a horizontal line and I put it there. See, right there. That's where I want to go in. That doesn't mean I've entered the trade yet. No, I've not. Now I want to ask myself, where do I put my stop loss? Now, this is how you can put your stop loss. Your stop loss is, you can put it in if you are taking a trade and it is sell, a downward trade, you look at, is there a higher high before that particular position that you want to take your trade from? If there's a higher high and it's not too far from where you are, you place it there. Take for example, here. Sorry. Now look at this. I take this now and I place it here. Why did I place it there? Is because that is the higher high that I can find in the market. Because most likely the price moves from support to resistance, from a previous high to looking towards a next high. Now, if I can't find a close by next high, if it's very far, what I look for is a position of the closest support or resistance above it. Because most of the time, if you look at a support can become a resistance as well. So you can see that even for this one, what is happening here is that the higher high is also serving as the support region. So for that, now you know what you are about to risk, because you risk the market going against you in this direction, and most likely it will stop either before it gets to that high or at that high most times. But if you want to really maximize this, so you look for the high above. If you are taking a sell, if you're taking a buy, you look for the low below, so that you can now place it there, or you look for this support below. So if you are looking above, look for the resistance that's above, and then or you look for the support that is below your position of entry. So that way you know what to do. So now that you have placed these, what you do, you look at what is the difference between your position of entry and your stop loss. All these, once you know how to do it, you'll be very, very fast with it. So if you look at it now, your position of entry is 10869. So, and then you want to enter at 10853. So you minus it, and then you realize that the difference between them is 11 pips. Now 11 pips. Now, how then do you place your take profit? This is what you need to know. Your take profit should be a multiple of your stop loss. And the highest I recommend you to take for any trade, though I don't do that most of the time, but the highest, even if you want to say, okay, this is a very strong signal, you want to take it, the highest I advise you take for any take profit is 3 times your risks. That means your risks, your profit ratio risks should be 3:1. That means whatever you have gotten as your risks, the risk is the value of pips between your entry point and your stop loss. Whatever is the number of pips that is there, multiply it by 3 maximum, and that should be your take profit. So for this one, all we do is we do 11 times 3, which is 33, and then remove 33 from this 855. And with that, you have 855 minus 33. That should be 823. So 823 is now going to be your next take profit. That's for maximum. However, for me, most of the time, I take 1.5. Just 1.5 of it. 1.5. I take 1.5 of the risks most of the time. Unless I see a very strong signal, then I take either 2 or 3 depending. But most of the time, I recommend you to take 1.5. So with 1.5, that means you are looking for 17 away from 58. So 858 minus 17 is what you are looking for now. So it's going to be, so the proper one now, which I recommend you use, is 841. So whatever profit you pick from here to here should be enough for you. Exit the market. So once you get there, you exit, you are fine, you are good to go. So don't just take an arbitrary stop loss because you just feel let me or arbitrary take profit because you just feel let me just take this amount of profit. No, the market does not work that way. You must know your risk stroke your reward, and then most of the time I recommend the maximum you should ever go for, which I recommend, is go for 3 times your risk. But most of the time I recommend you to go for 1.5 times your risk, and then you are out of the market, because it is the person that have the money. If what is better to have this amount here than try to take all this amount, and then the market goes against you and then blows your account. So I hope you guys have gotten a lot of value from here. If you are watching this, please comment and write I love trading. If you smash the like button and subscribe. If you have any question on stop loss and the likes, then let me know. So after you have determined this and you have entered the trade, then you can enter all these figures into your stop loss, take profit, and then you are good to go. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you got value from this.